तो आप सभी का इस वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये मेरे दो हैंड्स हैं एंड आज मैं आपको इन्हीं सबसे सारी सारी चीज़ें बताऊंगा। तो जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था कि इंग्लिश का कोई भी टॉपिक रैंडम आप कैसे बोल सकते हैं विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन। सो देखिए, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट व्हाट यू फील फ्रॉम इनसाइड। So please, whatever I am saying to you, just listen to me very carefully because this is very essential for speaking. Whenever we speak something, so it should be from our heart. It should not be just word. As you can see, I am just talking to you right now, so it does not need any kind of grammatical inch to understand something. I know you are very intelligent person, so that you can understand what I am saying right now. So in this thing you do not need any of the grammar, you do not need any of the thing to understand. So when you can understand, so I think so you can speak as well. It is just your boundaries that you have created for yourself, and now you do not want to continue the things ahead like that. So you are just like this is the water bottle. If somebody is not using it, so you do not want that you to be used. So why you do not want that you to be used for somebody? There are the several reasons if we talk about. So let's talk about the reasons one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay, so I know your first fear it is about how to communicate with the people. Yeah, because this is all about your, I guess, pressure, the performance pressure, I would say, because the society does not allow the people to communicate well. So the society does not allow the people that they can, if they learn something, they have something, and they are not even allowing somebody that they gain the success, or they get different kind of procedure that they are not following or that they do not have. So just think, you have gone outside, okay, out just from your locality, you have gone outside, and now you have met many of the people over there. You will see there are a lot of people who they will be talking in English, and there you will find it is really okay. Really, it is okay. Now, just suppose there is a girl and there is a boy. They both are talking and they both are well dressed than you. Means it is not that much that they have wearing different kind of clothes, like which is very costly or something else. Not like that. They are just looking decent. Okay, do you know what I mean to say? They are just looking decent, and right front of you, just you can assume that they are very cool person. So whenever we go out, we meet these kind of person. Uh, Whenever we see these kind of people, so we think that they are really educated than us. But whenever we listen their communication, it is not even that much grammatically good, but they have confidence. They have this much parameter to speak something. So that is why you consume those or thing that it is very different thing, and it is very different than we speak. So it is not different, my dear. It is just simple, as you are not thinking about it. It is just common. Really, it is just common. Just you need to communicate with the people. Over here, right now, what I'm doing, I'm just communicating with you. You are understanding it, right? As you can see in front of me, there is nobody. I'm just talking to myself. I'm just talking to you. So this is how you can talk to yourself, and this is how you can communicate with other people. It is not that much bigger deal that you go out and you just start talking to the people. It is not that much bigger deal, I would say. It is just a small part of amount that you want to deliver it somehow, right? Okay, see, if over here I'll be talking louder, so I know many of the people, they might feel that I am the person who has just got insane, it's who has gone mad, but actually it is not like that. It is just like that. I'm processing my skill, I'm learning my skill, and I'm developing my ideas, I'm processing my ideas so that I can share this to you. So over here I do not have the different perception about the people, what they are saying, what they are thinking, and what they want to do, what I will action and when I will action. So I do not have this perception right now, because I know this single thing, it is not going to happen. So just suppose if I crack the joke over here, I have the many of the people around me. they are just looking at me, they are talking to me. Just suppose if I crack the silliest joke that they did not even heard in their entire life, over that time what will happen? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? What will happen? They will just ignore me, right? So they will not do something different. They will just ignore and they will forget next day, or maybe some couple of minutes, some couple of hours later, they will forget.